box, as you. Hi guys, welcome to another PK12 Productions. Welcome to the backseat of my car. We're going to unbox both the iPhone 17 Pro Max and also the Ultra 3, so the Apple Watch Ultra 3. So let's get this up and running and we'll get this sorted out. Alright, let's get these things open. Okay, I don't know which, I assume this is the phone, so we'll go with the phone first. Okay, let's just make sure this is all good. Oh no, it's the watch. It's the watch. There we go. So that's the Ultra. We'll unbox that later. Right now, however, let's see if we can get the phone. I was actually thinking the bigger package was the actual phone, but apparently not. There it is. The nice orange Pro Max. Right there. Get it into frame. It's a Pro Max, as you can see right there. It's in the 1 terabyte configuration, orange. So let's give it a bit of a open up, eh? All right. There we go. Oh, wow, that looks impressive. Wow, that orange looks really good up close. I don't know if the camera can see it justice, but holy crap, man. Look at that orange. You've got the camera button, you've got the power button, got those plateau, the regular buttons. Wow, it looks and feels amazing. Like, it's a really good color. Like, up person, it really looks amazing. Standard crap in here is obviously your SIM card ejector and also the USB-C cable. But I'm just checking here. The Australian version has a SIM card slot. There you go. Awesome. So yeah, it's pretty much the iPhone.